Listen up, folks. The Republicans have their man. Donald Trump, the comeback kid, is officially back in the running for the White House. We've got less than 4 months before America heads to the polls. And you know what that means? It's time to start thinking about those election plays. Now, I'm not here to talk politics, but I am here to talk about making you money. And trust me, there are some serious opportunities brewing in the market depending on who takes the Oval Office. I've been burning the midnight oil, crunching the numbers, and let me tell you, I've got 3 stocks that I am absolutely convinced will skyrocket if Trump pulls off another victory in November. First up, we've got Nucor, ticker symbol NUE. This company has been a stalwart in the American steel industry for decades, consistently proving its mettle in a highly competitive market. Now, Nucor is a pure-play American steelmaker. They are not just any steel company. They are the epitome of American industrial strength. Their operations span across the country, ensuring that the steel they produce is of the highest quality and meets the rigorous demands of various industries. They're the real deal, the backbone of this country, supplying the steel that builds our bridges, our buildings, our future. From the towering skyscrapers that define our cityscapes to the bridges that connect our communities, Nucor's steel is integral to our nation's infrastructure. But let's face it, they've been getting hammered by those Chinese companies dumping cheap steel on our shores. This influx of low-cost steel has created an uneven playing field, making it difficult for American companies to compete. It's been a real kick in the teeth for American manufacturing. Factories have closed, jobs have been lost, and communities have suffered as a result of these unfair trade practices. But here's the thing, Trump, he gets it. He understands the importance of a robust American manufacturing sector and the need to protect it from unfair foreign competition. He understands that we need to protect American jobs, American industry. His administration has been vocal about the need to support domestic industries and ensure that American workers are not left behind. And that's why I'm convinced he's going to slap those tariffs right back on Chinese steel. These tariffs are designed to level the playing field and give American companies like Nucor a fighting chance. And when that happens, Nucor is going to be like a rocket ship. The company's stock is poised to soar as the market adjusts to the new trade policies.
Now I know what you're thinking. Jim, those Chinese companies are sneaky. They always find ways to circumvent regulations and tariffs. They'll just find a way around the tariffs. It's a valid concern, and one that has been observed in the past. And you're right, some of them are trying to set up shop in other countries. By relocating their operations, they aim to bypass the tariffs and continue flooding the market with cheap steel. But Trump's got an answer for that too. A 10% tariff on steel imports from all countries. This broad approach ensures that no matter where the steel is coming from, it will face the same level of scrutiny and tariffs. Boom! That levels the playing field and lets Nucor compete on a fair basis. With these measures in place, Nucor can focus on what it does best, producing high-quality steel and driving innovation in the industry. And let me tell you something else, Nucor is already a steal at its current price. The market has not yet fully recognized the potential impact of these tariffs on Nucor's bottom line. I'm talking about a forward PE of 12.6. This valuation is incredibly attractive for a company with such strong fundamentals and growth prospects. That's dirt cheap for a company with this kind of growth potential. Nucor's commitment to innovation and efficiency positions it well to capitalize on the changing market dynamics. Trust me, folks, this is a stock you want to own if Trump wins in November. The combination of favorable trade policies and Nucor's strong operational performance makes it a compelling investment opportunity.
Next up, we're heading down to Texas, the heart of the energy industry, to talk about Haliburton, ticker symbol HAL. Texas has long been synonymous with oil, and Haliburton is one of the giants in this field. This company has been a cornerstone of the American oil industry for decades, playing a crucial role in the exploration and extraction of oil and gas. Now, Haliburton is the oil man's best friend. They provide the technology, the expertise, and the manpower needed to get the job done. From the initial exploration phases to the final drilling operations, Haliburton is there every step of the way, ensuring that the oil flows smoothly and efficiently. They do it all: exploration, drilling, you name it, they're there, getting that black gold out of the ground. Their engineers are some of the best in the business, constantly innovating and improving techniques to maximize output and minimize environmental impact. It's a tough job, but Haliburton makes it look easy. And let me tell you, under a Trump administration, the oil and gas industry is going to be booming. Trump's policies are designed to reduce regulations and promote domestic energy production, which is music to the ears of companies like Haliburton. The administration's focus on energy independence means more opportunities for growth and expansion in the oil sector. Trump knows that energy independence is national security. By reducing our reliance on foreign oil, we can ensure that our energy needs are met without being subject to the whims of other nations. This is a strategic move that not only strengthens our economy, but also our national security. He's not going to let America be held hostage by those OPEC countries. OPEC has long been a powerful force in the global oil market, but with increased domestic production, we can reduce their influence over our energy prices. This shift in power dynamics is crucial for maintaining stable and affordable energy costs for American consumers. He's going to unleash American energy production, and that's going to be a beautiful thing for Haliburton. With more drilling sites and increased production, Haliburton stands to benefit immensely. This means more jobs, more innovation, and more growth for the company and the industry as a whole.
Now, I know some of you are worried about those tariffs. Tariffs can be a double-edged sword, potentially increasing costs for companies that rely on imported materials. It's a valid concern, especially in a globalized economy where supply chains are interconnected. You're thinking, Jim, won't that hurt Haliburton's business overseas? It's a fair question. Haliburton does have significant operations outside the United States, and tariffs could impact their bottom line in those markets. However, the company is well positioned to navigate these challenges. And you know what? You're not wrong. There might be some short-term pain. The initial impact of tariffs could lead to increased costs and potential disruptions in the supply chain. But Haliburton has a history of resilience and adaptability. There might be some short-term pain, stock prices might fluctuate, and there could be some volatility in the market. Investors might see some red in their portfolios in the short term, but it's important to keep the bigger picture in mind. But trust me, the long-term gains will far outweigh any temporary setbacks. Haliburton's strong fundamentals and strategic positioning make it a solid investment for the future. As the company continues to grow and expand, those who stay the course will likely see significant returns. Because here's the reality. America is sitting on a goldmine of oil and gas. Our natural resources are vast and largely untapped. With the right policies and investments, we can unlock this potential and become a global leader in energy production. We've got the resources to be energy independent, and Trump is the man to make it happen. His administration's focus on deregulation and support for the energy sector is exactly what we need to capitalize on our natural wealth. And when that happens, Haliburton is going to be leading the charge. With their expertise and experience, they are perfectly positioned to take advantage of the opportunities that come with increased domestic production. And right now, you can buy this stock for a song. The current market conditions present a unique opportunity for investors to get in on the ground floor. As the industry grows, so too will the value of Haliburton stock. I'm talking about 11 times forward earnings. This is a remarkable valuation for a company with such strong growth prospects. It's a clear indicator of the potential returns that investors can expect. That's insane for a company with this kind of growth potential. Haliburton's innovative approach and strategic investments position them for long-term success. The future looks bright for this industry leader. So if you believe in American energy, if you believe in a strong economy, then you need to own Haliburton. Investing in Haliburton is not just about financial returns. It's about supporting a company that is driving America's energy independence and economic growth. It's a win-win for investors and the country alike.
Finally, let's talk about a sector that's always in the news: healthcare. It's a field that touches every single one of us, from the moment we're born to our final days. The importance of healthcare cannot be overstated, and it's a sector that's constantly evolving, driven by innovation, policy changes, and the ever-growing needs of the population. And when it comes to healthcare, there's one company that stands head and shoulders above the rest: United Health Group, ticker symbol UNH. This isn't just any company, it's a behemoth in the industry, a true leader that has consistently outperformed its peers and set new standards for what a healthcare company can achieve.
Now, United Health is a giant. We're talking about a company with a market capitalization that dwarfs many others in the sector. Their influence and reach are unparalleled, making them a key player in shaping the future of healthcare. They're the 800-pound gorilla of the healthcare industry. This metaphor isn't just about their size, it's about their dominance, their ability to move markets, and their strategic positioning that allows them to stay ahead of the competition. They've got their hands in everything: Medicare Advantage, health insurance, pharmacy benefits, you name it. Their diversified portfolio means they're not just relying on one revenue stream. Instead, they have multiple avenues for growth, each contributing to their overall success. And let me tell you, they're only going to get bigger and more profitable under a Trump administration. The policies and regulatory environment under Trump are likely to favor large, established players like United Health, giving them even more room to grow and expand their market share.
Because here's the thing, Trump understands that the free market, not government bureaucrats, is the best way to deliver quality, affordable healthcare. His administration's approach is to reduce government intervention and allow market forces to drive innovation and efficiency. He's going to roll back those burdensome regulations that are strangling the healthcare industry, freeing up companies like United Health to operate more efficiently and effectively. This deregulation is expected to lower costs and increase access to care, benefiting both the company and its customers. And that's going to be a beautiful thing for United Health. With fewer regulatory hurdles, they can focus on what they do best, providing top-notch healthcare services and generating strong financial returns for their investors.
Now, I know some of you are thinking, Jim, United Health is already trading near its all-time high. The stock has seen significant gains, and it's natural to wonder if there's still room for growth. Isn't it too late to buy? And you know what? It's a valid concern. Timing the market can be tricky, and buying at the peak can be risky. You're right, the stock has had a good run. But let's look at the bigger picture. United Health's historical performance shows a consistent upward trend, driven by strong fundamentals and strategic growth initiatives. But trust me, this is just the beginning. The healthcare sector is poised for significant growth, and United Health is well positioned to capitalize on these opportunities. Their innovative approach and strategic investments will continue to drive their success.
Because with a Trump victory, we're going to see a surge in demand for Medicare Advantage plans. These plans offer comprehensive coverage and are increasingly popular among seniors, providing a significant growth opportunity for United Health. We're going to see fewer regulations on the healthcare industry. This deregulation will create a more favorable business environment, allowing companies like United Health to innovate and expand their services. And we're going to see United Health's profits soar. With their strong market position and the tailwinds from favorable policies, their financial performance is expected to reach new heights. This is a stock that belongs in every growth investor's portfolio. The potential for long-term gains is substantial, making it a smart choice for those looking to invest in the future of healthcare.
So, if you're looking for a way to profit from a potential Trump presidency, look no further than United Health Group. Their strong fundamentals, strategic positioning, and the favorable policy environment make them a compelling investment opportunity.
There you have it, folks. 3 incredible stocks that are poised to take off if Donald Trump wins in November. We've got Nucor, the steel stallion, ready to gallop past the competition. We've got Haliburton, fueling America's energy independence. And we've got United Health Group, the healthcare heavyweight, ready to rumble. These are stocks with strong fundamentals, solid growth prospects, and they're all levered to benefit from a potential Trump presidency. Now, I'm not telling you to bet the farm on a Trump victory, but I am telling you that these stocks deserve a close look. So do your own research, talk to your financial advisor, and then make a decision. But don't wait too long, because if Trump wins, these stocks are going to take off, and you don't want to be left standing on the